guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you guys all of my guns, alright? Stand 12 feet, I think. I'm showing you guys all of my guns. It's gonna be crazy, guys. So, you know this guy, right? I showed you this thing in the last video of unboxing this. I know you saw that mistake. Unboxing that. I don't know why. I'm sure right unboxing, but I'm just not sure why it said unboxing. Let me set down the tripod. Quickly. Push it up. Huh? Stuck there? Oh, very good. Now, you probably. Why is it so hard? Just widen space. There you go. Stand there. Now, you've probably seen this gun before in the video, but I have more. Yeah. Now, we have this one. It's not as tall, but it is as crazy. And it's pretty cool. Wow, that was crazy. Yeah, it's crazy. And it uses a drum. Spin it and just reload. There's actually some extra ammo inside right there. It's very cool. Amazing. So I just saw something. Alright? We got that gun. We also have small guns. Of course. We need big guns and small guns. So we have this tiny gun. It's tiny. Shoot, you shoot. Shoot very well. And where did the other one go? Lost it. Where's my? Oh, there it is. Okay. I was just asking why it's not there. Alright? Now we got these two. Wait. Yeah, my glasses. Oh, my glasses. Alright. Yeah, these two. They're kind of same. A tiny bit bigger, and it came in the box with two. Like one box. I think you could just use two. You can use your middle finger. Put here and extend that one. Put here and extend that one. And you have two chances. So you can just. Then you can just. Or you can just here shoot two of them at the same time. Or if you're in battle, you could just shoot people. Shoot two people at once. That'd be cool. Two ammo for one gun, amazing. And in total, if you want to shoot two at the same time, you'll shoot 6 times to be able to finish all the 12. But if you shoot one, 2, you have 12. That's just like my old gun I used to have. I lost it. Rest in peace. But let's test these, okay? Now this one you've probably seen last video. And shoot it. Did it shoot? Oh, come on, it's jammed. Why is it jammed? It's completely jammed. It's jammed, literally. It's literally jammed. It's jammed. Good ammo. Gosh, this is so jammed. Sometimes it's jammed. Sometimes actually stuff gets stuck inside there, which is very annoying. My dad literally has to take this belt out, put something inside, get it out, and take out the something I put inside and put it back in the box. There you go. Now let's see. That works. It works. Of course it does work. Now, we'll use this guy, of course, you know. excited for this. Oh my gosh, there's so much over here. I collected in the time lapse. Now this one, ammo. There we go. Shuttle them. Now these, I only shoot two. Good. That counts as 4. Watch. Right there, you got 2. Or you could just shoot. I don't have it there. This is an extra ammo. Alright guys. Here's that. Start the time lapse.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes.
Right, so we are done now. Right, we're done. Now let's compare these, right? Let's compare these things, right? I don't need to say it 2 times, but this thing is, oh, okay, that's heavy. How will I compare these things? I'll just put them in there. Just use my hands to show you guys what I'm doing. Alright. Now, we put these things like next to each other. Right. Take out the back. Now, let's see here. We have this gun is slightly taller. So the Crusher is slightly taller than the Max Havoc. And also have this one. Let's remove everything here. Now let's see this one. This gun here. And this gun here. See, kinda, you know, bigger a little bit. So the tripod I was using. Yeah, so don't ignore my iPad. So yeah guys, leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.